Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. If you're watching, this is your first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and tell a friend. Today's sponsor is actually Beauty Forever Hair once more. So thank you Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring this video. We are gonna get into it and see what type of wig we receive this time. I love that we always have these bags to store the wig. But Beauty Forever changed their packaging and I love it. It's giving bold, it's giving you cannot miss this brand, and I love that. So let's go in and see. First time opening this. I think I have this wig for a minute. Oh, and they even changed their bags. I love that. So let's take out all the goodies. We have edge band, wig caps, of course, we edge brush. And we also have a bag to store our wigs, guys. Always store your wigs in a bag. Yeah, so we have that. Now let's get on to this beautiful wig. It seems like it's a long length and it's 24 inches. It's water wave, so yeah. 7x5 by knots, and it's definitely a lace wig. Why do I see like I have some pre-made baby hair? Are you kidding me? And I think this wig has a lot of new features that we're definitely going to talk about, because I mean these companies are upgrading these wigs. I'm telling y'all, you can install a wig by yourself. You can go on the link, which I'll have a discount code for y'all. Go on the link, click on the link, purchase the wig, and try to put it on. You will get there. I was once there, okay? Alright, so this is the wig. Alright, we have pre-made baby hair, which means, wow, the lace is stunning. Which means this is a pre-everything wig. But I want us to get into the lace. Look at that lace. You cannot beat this. Look how stunning that looks. Love it. And the pre-made baby hair, you can definitely do this yourself. What I told you, buy the wig and try to install it. Love, love, love that. We're going to definitely stay with the middle part because I love the details. This is just pre-everything. We can slip this wig on and it will be there secure. Now, well, let's get into the feature before we install the wig, and I'll definitely tell you the difference once I add the wig to my head. Alright? Did I tell you it's a 7x5 lace? We have an upgraded cap. Are you kidding me? Now we are gonna get into this and I really want to talk about it. So let's do that right now. Alright guys, let's get into this. If you guys look closely, you are seeing this updated. So the updated wig, it's a wig cap, no slit. They bring this thing all the way around here, okay? And based on feedbacks with, you know, you might have your wig and it was slipping and all of that, you guess what? There's no problem right now because they made sure they go ahead and fix all that sliding back before. So they upgraded the wig with adding the adjustable elastic strap, which is this thing right here. It is so long. So guess what? You don't have to worry about your head size because this thing extends. Look at that. I'm pretty sure your head is not this big. And we have that. Now, you do have the option to pull it according to your head size. So you have that option right there. And I absolutely love, 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 love. And I know once we fit this on, it's gonna look so nice. You know why? They made this thing right where the lace is. So you definitely will be having way more security right there, and it's gonna fit. The lace is gonna look super nice, super natural. I absolutely love, love, love that. Now the drawstring, you guys know that's another big thing that I love, which this wig do have a drawstring, and this is how it looks right here. So this is what you pull for the drawstring. and I absolutely love it. It has 3 non-slip rubber straps. What? OMG. Look at that. Look at this. 2 built-in silicone elastic band strips. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It is comfortable to wear according to the size of your head. No slipping, okay? It's very easy to wear without pressure and very comfortable, obviously. And I'm definitely gonna shape my head to the max so you guys can see how secure this is. All right, look at this. Look at the inside. This is the upgraded cap. We are gonna flip this thing over and show you guys everything why you need this upgraded wig, because it has the 3 non-slip rubber bands right here. It's not going nowhere. Okay, the drawstring, yeah, it's gonna work together. The seamless heat press bonding technology, OMG. Are you guys seeing this? There's 3 right there, and then you have this around the back. Everything is upgraded. You guys already know I love a wig with a comb, but this is how the drawstring works. All you gotta do, I show you guys this many times, pull it according to your head size. It's gonna look something like this. This is for a really small head. It also have another part that you're gonna just slip it down. Stunning. Now to release it, you take up that and you pull. And bear in mind, guys, once you add this to your head, it's gonna loosen up. You just tuck this under the wig. Real easy, real simple. But this updated cap, I absolutely love it. We are gonna go in, fit this wig on, and see how it works and talk about it a little bit more. Oh, that was still recording. All right.
If you take me, I'll go even to the unknown, and I'll be right here, and I'll meet you there. You won't leave me alone, even in the unknown.
You hear me? All you gotta do is get the wig. Buy the wig, put the wig on your head, because I really don't need to do nothing. I'm telling you. Absolutely love it, but we're gonna add mousse to it, of course, but it doesn't need anything, nothing. Okay, I cannot believe this. I think I even need to do a TikTok video on this. I want to ask Beauty Forever what they want me to do to this, because the curls really don't need anything, but for the sake of the video, I am going to separate this in 2 parts. You guys already know how I do. I use my Lotta body and I use water. So I'm gonna add this first. Pum, pum, pum. And we're gonna add it to the wig. I honestly am not gonna make it absolutely wet because it is stunning already. So we basically just gonna train the curls, because it was in a package, so we have to make sure that it's set with like the ice in a freezer. So that's mainly what we're about to do. I cannot find the brush. Okay, so you guys can keep watching. Once I'm done, I will be back because we have to dry it. So I'm definitely not gonna wet it all the way. Yeah, the ends, because it's a long wig, you have to train the ends. So that's what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I am completely done with the wig and I love it. I love it. Okay, I didn't have to do much as far as adding mousse or anything else to the wig, because the curls were already juicy. Now let me pull you guys back so you guys could see. I focus mainly on the ends, and this is how it looks because we wanted it to have that effect. Now it's completely glueless and everything is tucked under. The wig is not shifting. this anti-slip is really working, because I tell you, the main thing about me installing the wig is that I don't have braids for the wig to grip, and this thing is not going nowhere. We can shake our heads, it's not going nowhere. Okay, absolutely love it, love it, love it. It's very easy, one of the easiest, because they designed everything for you. They created the baby hair, the lace is top tier, how everything is snug to the side. I love that. So this was made for you, it was made for me. Okay, and it's pretty simple, so you guys need to check the description box and grab this unit right now. Now you cannot miss out on this, because there's gonna be a coupon code for you, so make sure you guys check it out. Love the hair, and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it too. Now I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye.
All the things I leave behind, living for another life. Guess I will love you till it kills me. Mind on